Hello, third grade. Today in science, we are going over lesson 6. This week we're going to finish up the end of chapter 4 and we're going to take our test before Christmas. The title is How Can People Stay Healthy? We'll be on the back of our notes. Okay, so the notes that we've been working on this entire chapter, we're on the back. At the end of this week, you'll send them back so I can get that grade entered in GradeLink. How can people stay healthy? People want to be as healthy as possible. There are many things they can do to help keep their bodies healthy. 1. Exercise. Safe, regular exercise is important. People in good shape have the energy to work, play, and feel good. Exercise helps keep bodies healthy. Some people get exercise by biking or swimming. They may play basketball or soccer, but exercise does not have to be a sport. House and yard work can be exercise too. When you rest, your heart beats about 90 times per minute. It beats faster when you exercise. Maybe you've felt that before. I know when I go running, I like to go running a ton. And when I finish running, I can feel my heart just racing because I've been doing something that my heart needed to give more blood to my body faster. So exercise is really, really important, not only as you guys are young, but also as you start to get older. So sports are an awesome way to exercise. If you don't like sports very much, you can still do it by going on walks, going on runs, finding other ways to do that. Housework, yard work, that's definitely exercise too. You have to work a little bit harder than you normally would just resting. Exercise keeps what healthy? Well, exercise keeps a person's lung, heart, and muscles strong. Your lungs are part of the respiratory system, so exercise keeps people healthy. Examples of exercise. We talked about sports, we talked about biking, swimming, but even just yard work you could put there too. Raking the leaves, it's exercise. Up here we just read lungs are part of our respiratory system. Okay. They put oxygen from the air you breathe into your blood. So oxygen's job is to put oxygen. The lungs' job is to put oxygen into your blood. Your heart and blood vessels are part of your circulatory system. The heart pumps blood through blood vessels. So the heart and blood are part of the circulatory system. Respiratory system, that's what you breathe, that's your lungs and your chest. Your heart is part of your circulatory system. It helps move the blood around your body. Blood carries oxygen and other materials to your muscles. Blood carries wastes away from your muscles. Exercise helps your systems work together well. People who feel good about themselves take care of their bodies. They eat a variety of good foods. They get enough exercise and rest. They avoid things that are unhealthy. Proper equipment keeps these young football players safe. You can see they're staying safe by wearing helmets, wearing their pads. When you breathe in, air goes down the long tube called the windpipe. The windpipe divides into 2 tubes. Each tube leads to a spongy lung. So you can see there kind of in your body how that would look. Goes down your windpipe, and then you have your lungs there. Have you ever heard the phrase something went down the wrong tube? Like if you eat something and then you start coughing because it went down the wrong tube? Well, that's because from your mouth, at the back of your throat, it splits into 2 up at the top here. One is your esophagus that goes down into your stomach. The other one is your windpipe that comes down here. So if you get food down the wrong tube, that means you got it down your windpipe and it started going to your lungs, and that's not good. So that's why you kind of cough. All right? Excellent. Now, I want you to think about what are some examples of things that you could do for exercise. Your assignment today is to exercise for 10 minutes. You could exercise longer if you want, but that means I want you to either go outside and play for 10 minutes or help with housework around, maybe help cleaning around your house. That would be exercise. But your goal today, 10 minutes of exercise. Have a great rest of your Monday.